Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Doogee S60 to other Android smartphone, at the first on the both devices you have to move to the Play Store and get application to transfer data. We are going to get application name Send Anywhere. So let's install and do the same on the second smartphone also. And I got this application already on the phone, so I can open it. Right now we are waiting on our Doogee, and let's open. Click here, then tap to confirm, click continue, and accept permission. And as you can see, we can send photos, video, audio, apps, contacts, and other files. It's only example, so I will focus maybe only on the photos. So I will go for this photo and this screenshot. Right now we have to click send, and on the second smartphone we have to move to the receive, and this key we have to input right here. So let's go, click received, and as you can see the transfer is finished. As you can see, it was really easy and really fast. I hope that'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!